Hello, everyone. My name is Steve, and this is English with Sophia YouTube channel. Today, I'll tell you about my cooking disaster.
Last Saturday, I decided to cook dinner for my girlfriend. Big mistake. I wanted to impress her with my cooking skills. But I had no skills at all.
I chose to make spaghetti carbonara. It looked easy in the recipe video online.
I went to the supermarket and bought all the ingredients. Pasta, eggs, bacon, cheese, everything.
Back home, I put on my apron. I felt like a professional chef already.
I started boiling water for the pasta. So far, so good. Nothing could go wrong yet.
Then I tried to cut the bacon. The knife was sharp. I almost cut my finger. I put the bacon in the pan. The oil started splashing everywhere. Hot oil hit my arm.
Ouch! I screamed. Cooking was more dangerous than I thought. This wasn't going well.
The bacon was cooking, but I forgot about the pasta water. It was boiling over.
Water spilled all over the stove. Steam filled the kitchen. The smoke alarm started beeping loudly.
I ran to open all the windows. My neighbors probably thought my house was on fire.
I finally added the pasta to the water.
Oh.
But I added way too much. The pot was overflowing. The pasta was ready. I drained it in the sink. But I forgot to put a colander.
All the pasta went down the drain. I stood there shocked. This couldn't be happening.
I had no more pasta. I checked my cupboard. I found some instant noodles instead.
Okay, plan B, I said to myself. Instant noodles were safer. Nothing could go wrong now. I boiled water again and added the noodles. This time, I watched everything like a hawk.
Now I needed to make the sauce. I cracked the eggs into a bowl, but I cracked them too hard. Pieces of eggshell fell into the bowl. Great.
I tried to pick out the shells. It took forever. My fingers were covered in egg.
I added cheese to the eggs, but I added too much. The mixture looked thick and weird. The doorbell rang. My girlfriend was here. I started panicking. The kitchen was a disaster zone. Just a minute. Dirty dishes everywhere, food on the floor. I quickly tried to clean up. I threw everything into the sink and cabinets. No time for proper cleaning.
I opened the door. She smiled at me. "Something smells interesting," she said politely, trying not to laugh.
I cooked dinner for you, I announced proudly. She looked surprised and a bit worried. We went to the kitchen. She saw the mess. Her eyes went wide. She tried not to laugh.
It's lovely that you tried, she said sweetly. But I could see she was holding back laughter.
I served the noodles with the egg sauce. It looked awful, like something from a horror movie.
She took one bite. Her face said everything. It tasted as bad as it looked.
Steve, this is creative.
Creative.
We couldn't stop laughing. Tears were rolling down our faces. The situation was too funny.
How about we order pizza instead? Best idea ever. I agreed immediately.
We ordered pizza and cleaned the kitchen together. She told me funny cooking disaster stories too. That night, I learned two important lessons. First, cooking is harder than it looks on YouTube. We still laugh about that night. Now she teaches me cooking. I'm getting better slowly. So, did you understand my cooking disaster story? Could you follow everything I said?
I hope this story made you smile. Remember, everyone has embarrassing moments. That's life.
Thanks for watching English with Sophia. Subscribe for more stories from me, Steve. Comment below about your cooking disasters. I'd love to hear your funny stories too. Keep practicing English every day. Listen, laugh, and learn. See you next time. Goodbye.